Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Car Critic. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing electric tricycle camper has been imagined as a revolutionary touring machine that combines Honda's decades of touring expertise with the needs of modern electric travel. It takes the traditional luxury feel of the Gold Wing, adds the stability of a tricycle setup, and integrates a camper module to provide a complete on-the-road and off-the-grid lifestyle option. This design is aimed at riders who want more than just a ride from point A to B. It is intended for those who want the vehicle itself to become part of their living space when the ride stops. The electric platform sets it apart from every previous Gold Wing. With a large-capacity lithium-ion battery pack and powerful motor systems, this trike camper is expected to deliver smooth, silent acceleration and reliable long-distance performance. Honda has always been careful with energy management in its vehicles, so we can anticipate efficient regenerative braking, thermal control, and advanced software to maximize range and safety. Performance will not just be about raw speed but also about stability and usability when fully loaded with gear, supplies, and passengers. Early expectations suggest that it could accelerate from zero to highway speed in seconds while keeping comfort and safety as priorities. The top speed may not rival superbikes, but it will be sufficient for long touring journeys on highways, with controlled handling on corners and inclines thanks to the wider rear track of the trike configuration. Charging will play a major role in its day-to-day usability. Riders can expect compatibility with both home-based AC charging and roadside DC fast charging stations. This means the vehicle can be topped up overnight for daily use or charged rapidly during long-distance travel. The possibility of integrating solar panels on the camper module roof or adding external charging inputs for camping situations could extend flexibility even further, giving owners a new way to remain powered when off the grid. The camper module itself is perhaps the boldest aspect of the design. It is not simply a storage box bolted to the back of a trike, but a purpose-built living compartment that could offer sleeping space for one or two people, foldable seating, integrated lighting, and even ports to run small appliances. This makes it possible to travel for days without the need for hotels or external camping gear. Weather-sealed materials, fold-out systems, and ergonomic design are likely to make it comfortable enough for short stays without being too heavy or bulky when riding. On long rides, comfort has always been the Gold Wing's strongest trait. That tradition seems likely to continue here with plush seating, advanced suspension systems, and rider-assist electronics designed to reduce fatigue. Honda may integrate advanced infotainment with large screens, smartphone connectivity, navigation, and ride modes tailored for both efficiency and performance. Riders would be able to switch between modes for highway cruising, mountain climbing, or even eco settings to maximize range. Durability is another point worth highlighting. Touring vehicles must endure heavy loads, varying weather, and long distances. The Gold Wing electric trike camper will need to balance the additional weight of the camper structure with reliable performance. This could be achieved through reinforced frames, upgraded suspension geometry, and materials that resist both environmental damage and wear over time. Honda's engineering history suggests that quality control will be a high priority. From a financial standpoint, this trike camper is unlikely to be cheap. The combination of electric drivetrain, high-capacity batteries, luxury touring hardware, and integrated camper systems would position it in the premium market. Estimates place the price between $40,000 and $70,000 depending on trim and region, which makes it a niche product for dedicated touring enthusiasts. Still, it could become a flagship model that sets a benchmark for future electric touring machines. Market reception will depend on how well it balances novelty and practicality. Traditional Gold Wing riders may be cautious about switching from gasoline to electric, especially if they are used to extremely long ranges between fuel stops. On the other hand, younger riders and environmentally conscious travelers may be attracted to the idea of sustainable long-distance touring combined with camping freedom. It could carve out a unique audience that spans both veteran tourers and adventurous newcomers. Another factor to consider is infrastructure. Electric charging stations are growing in number, but touring often means traveling into remote areas where charging access may be limited. For this reason, the success of such a vehicle may rely not only on its built-in range but also on creative solutions like solar integration, auxiliary charging options, or partnerships with camping sites to provide charging amenities. This could define how usable it is for real-world camping adventures. Release timing is still uncertain. While Honda has released updates for its traditional Gold Wing lineup in 2025, the electric camper trike has not been officially announced as a production-ready vehicle. Industry speculation points to a potential reveal in late 2025 or 2026, possibly as a limited edition or concept that could later expand into broader production if demand is proven. This uncertainty makes it important for enthusiasts to follow Honda's official announcements and international motor shows closely. In conclusion, the Honda Gold Wing electric tricycle camper represents a bold step into the future of touring. It promises electric efficiency, trike stability, camper practicality, and Honda's legendary comfort in a single package. If Honda executes this vision well, it could redefine what it means to travel on three wheels, allowing riders to not just reach new destinations but also comfortably live in them. The fusion of advanced technology and outdoor adventure could inspire a whole new wave of touring lifestyles. Would you like me to now write a single seamless